Biolip is a private limited company incorporated at Ministry of Corporate Affairs on September 2017. Biolip has its head office at Bangalore. The company is promoted by technocrats. Biolip is a leading provider of comprehensive environmental solutions and provides design, engineering, technology development, construction, operation and maintenance of plant and facilities. Biolip advanced technology solutions address a wide spectrum of environmental issues both into solid waste and sewage water. Solid waste management refers to the range of garbage materials arising from animal and human activities that are unwanted and useless waste. It is categorized as wet waste and dry waste. After the segregation from the wet waste, biomethanation process will carried out. From the dry waste, pellets are made which can be used as fuel to generate electricity. Biomining. This technology is adopted under the scheme of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, launched by Honorable Prime Minister. It refers to the excavation of dumped waste and make withdrawal of legacy waste. Thereafter, stabilization of the waste through pelletization. Biomining is the perfect solution for India's overflowing landfills. It creates an alternative fuel for industries and ensures reclamation of lands. Initially, waste has been segregated into dry waste and wet waste. Wet waste is used for biomethanation process. This process starts by placing waste into conveyor. From the inclined conveyor, waste moves to bag breaker. Prepare the material for sorting in material line. Metals are removed with magnetic separator. Biomethanation. Slurry preparation has made for anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion by which microorganisms break down by biodegradable material in absence of oxygen. RDF plant. It is a process where daily incoming waste and legacy waste is dried and separated as per the process. Later it will be converted into pellets. These pellets are designed so that it should achieve the required density and calorific value as per the requirement. This pellet can be used in many industries as a source of energy, or it can be used in RDF for generation of electricity, and its one of the byproduct is ash. Wastewater treatment plant. In this part, the main intention is to bring the municipal wastewater to standard by treating. There are several processes involved in this plant, each process having its own functional aspects. The output product from this is sewage sludge and treated water.